Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
Today we're going to work on the Cruzada cross and the front step after the Cruzada.
This is very useful for front ochos or just changing the angle to the right of the leader.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends.
We'll get to work right away.
Okay, let's show you this. We are at the dance floor. This is side step, going to the cross. Take your time to cross, followers. Now I feel the lead to move forward. I send my leg, waiting for him to pull. Let's go to the cross again so you can see the move one more time. We repeat it over and over just to show you the technique and to give you the tips. What are we doing here?
So now, just for the sake of the exercise, we are focusing mainly on her front step. And then we are repeating most of the time. The most common way, if you are a beginner, is that we are going to rotate her and get into the front ocho. Just to repeat this exercise over and over, we are just sending her into the cruzada, which is a little more advanced lead, but don't focus on that yet. Focus only on the
tips and technique.
Yes, and the front step. Pam. We go to the basic step, cruzada. Pam, pam, pam. Leaders. Now from here, here's the thing. The tip for the leader is that I'm going to move my rib cage slightly front and then rotate, pull towards my left. Look, I was here. I will make her sit back and then pull with my rib cage still front. Now from here, I will initiate lower, and can you see that my intention goes and I pull my right shoulder blade in order to have her leg. Common mistake is to go with the head and the torso first. Sorry, Miri.
That will happen at the milonga.
Exactly. So we want to lower, initiate, think of her leg, and now we go. Now, for the sake of the exercise, don't worry much about this. Get to the cruzada, change body weight to your left, and we'll repeat the same thing. Moving front with the torso, rotating, lowering with the ribcage front, and then we repeat over and over. Pump, rotate, and go to start all over again.
For the followers, this same move, we go into the cross. First of all, I like to remind you to go with your toe and then ball of your foot. And then when you feel this little rotation, lead from the leader to go around. This means we uncross the back leg. Pivoting because he's rotating the upper body, that will align my hips. And now if you notice, he's moving the torso, he's pulling from the shoulder blade, that will position our leg front, but I'm not switching body weight, I'm not start walking without him doing it. So his upper body is front, my upper body is back, body weight is back. When he changes, then I follow that and I go to the front leg. From here, we go into the cross again. I'm waiting on the back leg. I put this leg up here so you see when he leads me to change. I change and then he will rotate and that will uncross my back leg. In this case, is the right. He will lower for the extension of the right leg to walk forward. We keep the same distance. When he walks, body weight changes. Then we go front to the next position. Let's repeat that. Cross and cross first, send the leg, head back, and moving forward. You are going to be able, followers, to move forward and keep your posture. So you're going to be able to send the leg, transfer body weight, go into the cross, and cross, send the leg, body weight changes. And avoiding this, let me show you just from the cross. Followers, don't do this. Rushing the leader. Yeah. He can be a very good leader. He can lead you in a very proper way. But if the follower doesn't know and you step forward, you push him, you back lead, or you rush him to go to the next move. So for the follower, it's very important to extend the leg, wait for him to pull. When he pulls, slide, and then transfer body weight slowly after the leader.
That is a very, very, very important tip if you are just starting your first tango lessons.
Okay, that's all for today. See you on the next video.
Take care.